Oh. 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 I'm turning up.
כאילו זה תל אביב, אז זה גבעתיים?
כאילו, זה פה נפתן הזה, תל אביב. פה זה כאילו חלק רמת גן.
Well, you know, they were going to get in the motorhome and leave, but we couldn't get her out of the motorhome. Hey, bro. Hey. I just got in a wreck. Whoa. Holy. What in the world? Wow.
Oh, that's good. It's $1.40 outside my dad's. We go to the reserve, it was $1.19.
Oh! How fast was that guy going?
Fast, and the cop just drove by, but
He was flying.
Surtout que c'est court, hein.
among others. The Giants requested an interview with Cardinals VP and player personnel Quentin Harris for the team's general manager job. Harris is a former Giants safety. He's been working closely with Cardinals general manager Steve Keim, managing the college and pro personnel departments in Arizona. The Broncos reportedly have a
taste it, and then you can order the one that you like.
What?
You stupido. Oh my god, right in front of us.
I totally saw that.
At least the car is running. Her car is not running. That guy just
Are
left.
they really just leaving?
That guy just left. No, no.
So we can see this truck coming up fast to this white car, sees it at the last minute, attempts to swerve out of the way, but it's not quite enough. He hits that car, which then ends up smashing into the truck that's about to pull over. And now we have turned a simple traffic stop that was about to be cleared up into a multi-car accident spanning both sides of the highway.
Yeah, I'm free all day Friday.
So what's going?
You won't back up to 10 feet, so I can pull into the parking space so you can get around me.
Yeah, I'm not filming your face. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Yeah, he's just refusing to move for me to get out of the way.
I'll go ask him.
If you can convince him to move up so I can get around
Yeah.
him, then whatever.
Hey, look, I can help you get out. If you could just back up 10 feet and move in there, he can move around you. If you could do that, please, sir, and then we can get.
Call the police.
No, we don't need the police, sir. Please, sir, I'm disabled. I'll help you get out of here, buddy. Please, I'm disabled too, sir. I want to help you. Sir, I'm sorry. I'm disabled too. He's somewhat disabled. He keeps telling me to call the police. I don't want to do that.
That's what he's doing to me too.
So. I don't want to call the police for this sort of
No,
it's not worth your
pointless
time.
when he can move 10 feet.
Sir, please. Please, sir. I'm begging you. I'm disabled too. I want to help you. Okay? I want to help you, buddy. We don't need the police, sir.
Help, call the police, please.
Why do you need the police, sir?
I'm desperate. I'm in danger. I feel danger. I feel threatened by him.
He seems like a gentleman. Sir, you're a gentleman. He's a gentleman. There's no need for this. Sir, if you don't cooperate, I'm going to leave then. Okay, well, take care, sir.